Hi, I'm Alyssa, and I suffer from alopecia, and I wear helper hair to help conceal my hair loss to make me more confident. And if you're asking if I've tried all the products to regrow it, yes, I have. I'm in my late 40s, so believe me, I've tried everything. Let me tell you about what toppers can do. Well, first of all, they can boost your confidence. This one right here, this one is a gorgeous piece. This is the Courtney Upgrade by UniWigs. Look at that color. When I find a topper, I try to match my roots most of the time, so I'm not having to dye them so much and putting more damage on my hair that I don't really have. So I want to keep the rest that I have to blend it in seamlessly with toppers. Let me tell you a little bit about this cap construction. This is a 7x8, and you'll notice that has a mono top filament. It's a mesh where the hair pieces are hand tied, making that scalp look more realistic. Look at that. If you are new to wearing toppers, you want to conceal it. I know I did, and you want to try and make it look as natural as possible. With that scalp appearance, no one's not even gonna know, or no one's gonna know. This thing is going to stay off. A true story. I rode a roller coaster wearing a topper. I was so nervous, but I wanted to participate. I was not gonna go balls on the roller coaster. I did hold it down because I was insecure about it, but that sucker stayed on. So these are very durable and they will stay in place. This one in particular has 4 clips. Also, UniWig has this halo wire that you can attach that will relieve some of that tension on your head. Let me show you how this looks. All right, this is what you're gonna do to put this on. Okay, so the first thing is I'm gonna get this halo wire, I'm gonna get it underneath my hair, and I'm gonna blend it in. So watch me put that on. I'm gonna put it on over my head just like that. And I'm gonna bring this around my ears, just like that. And then I'm gonna put my topper on. Now, if you notice, I wanna blend this in just a little bit more, so I will pull out some of my natural hair, just like that. Find the perfect spot. I'm gonna use the clips to clip that in, but man, that wire just makes it so secure. And if you need to tighten it up a little bit, you can grab the wire and just pull. It's actually a plastic band, so you can pull that and make it a little bit tighter if you need to. So you can adjust that. But oh my goodness, this feels pretty secure. I like this. So let me clip those in. I like to clip those in just to have a little bit extra support so it can withstand that roller coaster ride. Look at that, look how beautiful it is. Make sure that you pull your hair underneath that line that is there, and you can even pull your hair in on the side. I love to have my real hair showing on the side because that just makes it look so more natural. All right, there you go. That's how she looked. Another thing I love about wearing toppers is the fact that I can pin them up, because I live in Texas and it is hot in Texas. So I do like to wear my toppers up. And it's gonna blend my hair, natural hair in. So let's see how this looks. So if I'm gonna put her in a ponytail, look at that. The way that this is already pre-cut allows me to have those side sweep things. Okay, so I'm around the house, or I'm running a quick errand, I'm just gonna pin her up. Look how natural. No one would even know. So check it out. Feel more confident with these toppers.